Welcome to the world of the AI-driven front office. Here you'll learn how hotels are changing with the help of technology and the power of human touch. This subject will help you get ready for modern hotel jobs, especially if you want to work in front office departments. So let's begin your journey into the future of hospitality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means smart machines that can think and learn. In hotels, AI is now used in front office jobs, like handling check-ins, answering guests' questions, and managing bookings. AI helps save time, reduce mistakes, and make hotel services faster and smarter. It also allows staff to focus more on guests and less on boring tasks. Hotels now use many AI tools, like chatbots on websites, voice assistants in rooms, and robots at reception for check-ins or luggage delivery. Even with AI, the human touch is still very important. Smiling faces, warm greetings, and personal care can never be replaced by machines. AI needs good internet and strong machines, which can be costly for small hotels. Also, some staff may feel scared. They might lose jobs. To work in the AI-driven front office, you need to learn computer basics, soft skills like speaking and listening, and how to use hotel software systems. In future, AI will become smarter. Hotels will use it for better guest experiences. But always remember, AI is a tool. The heart of hospitality is still the human touch.